Can a nigga live again? Say the word without ignorance. Serving to my people, giving back to all the village kids. Open up some businesses just so I can get us rich. Never think that I'll forget they turned us into citizens. Teach a man to bait and pray to God he catch a bigger fish. On the fence, back against the wall, they tryna pin us in. See my skin? I gotta get home so I can see my kin. In the end, they say when you die is when you really live. Yeah, true love don't perish. Mary and Joseph, I feel like I had both parents. Devil in my ear talking to me, I don't hear it. I just got more spirit, faith so I know clearer. I'm God's son. I rose from the concrete and then blossom. Strong and courageous just like Joshua. Every prayer I'm peeking at the throne. I just gotta make it home. I just gotta make it home.
We've been searching as far as I can see. What we've been looking for is where I need to be. I gotta get home. I wanna be home. I need to be. I gotta be. I'm coming back.
Home to the people I love. Blessed when you are who you think you become. Stress leaves scars when you don't have faith that everything is handled by the kingdom above. I just gotta get back to the Mecca, back to my sector. That's a diversion, I'm trapped in forever. Trapped in a bucket of crabs in a barrel and devil's apparel. I'm feeling like life is a gun, I just stare down the barrel. Maybe this is how Moses felt when he stood up to Pharaoh. Tell me how you follow the path, but don't look at the arrows. Tell me how you doing the math, but don't look at the zeros. Me, I'm in a whole other class, just go look at my heroes. Really, cause Moses was a leader, Jesus was a leader. Me, I'm a believer, giving game like a preacher. Look up at the ether, giving praise to my teacher. Pave on my leisure, when you die, you get deeper.
We've been searching as far as I can see.